Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this Poetic Guardian with MagSafe case review for the Google Pixel 9a. Just landed on my doorstep today, got the unboxing out of the way, and now it's time to protect my investment so I can take her out and start the reviewing process. Huge shout out to Poetic for sending the Poetic Guardian again with MagSafe. This is the black clear case. You can follow Poetic over at Instagram, Facebook, X, YouTube, and TikTok. All right, let's go ahead and do this. I will have some screen protectors hopefully coming in tomorrow. Got some information here on the installation guide as far as the frame of the Poetic Guardian case. Super duper easy. Please follow all the information here. Make sure I hold this card right. Yeah, read everything, man. Poetic doesn't put this in the box for no reason. Watch the video, see how I do it, but make sure you read all of this. You're going to have a plastic frame with the built-in screen protector and a plastic frame without, so you have an option. And then you're going to have the back part of the case. So some of you may have never gone through the process and you just might need a little extra help, which is good. So it's a thumbs up. You got the plastic frame with the built-in screen protector. You got a piece of film on the inside here protecting the adhesive area that's going to go over the under display fingerprint area right there. The adhesive is going to adhere to that area. Most of the time you do have to reset your fingerprint. Sometimes you don't. So we're going to try it out without resetting. If I have to, I will do that. It's probably better if you do. So what we want to do is remove the protective film over the top of the built-in screen protector. Now, I am going to use the built-in screen protector because I do not have a tempered glass screen protector as of yet. Like I said, that's going to be coming hopefully tomorrow, or else I would be using the frame without the built-in screen protector. And again, we have some more information here. And again, I'm going to say it, read everything. Got a little bit of a gap right there. Put your thumbnail in there and separate the frame from the back part of the case. No built-in screen protector. And we have some film right there that we want to peel away, and right here as well. This right here is hard plastic polycarbonate material. Got these little feet, all four corners. It keeps the case nice and steady on a flat surface, or if the surface is a little bit rough, without any rocking. That is really nice. And it keeps the see-through back just above the surface so that you don't easily scratch it. There's the ring for a magnet for MagSafe. Yeah, that is nice. Okay, so what we want to do is clean the display really, really good. Okay, really, really good. I'm going kind of fast here. And then when you're ready, what you want to do, that shouldn't come off with this, but it is going to come off with that, and that's okay. You can see the adhesive ring right there. It's going to go right over the top. Press right in there to make sure the adhesive adheres to the display where your under display fingerprint reader is located. A little bit of a wipe down. Okay, so you can see up top we have a recessed area there for the combo earpiece and speaker, which is really, really nice. You're going to have plenty of lip. No issues sitting down on a flat surface a little bit rough. Even rougher than that, you'll just end up scratching that built-in screen protector. Now we have the back of the case with the frame and the 9A. We want to start at an angle and work our way up. Just like that, bringing the back together with the frame, leaving no gaps. Okay, check all the way around. Got that dark silver frame up against that black TPU material on the back part of the case, along with a lot of corner bumper action going on there to absorb shock if you were to drop your 9A on the ground, sporting the Poetic Guardian. Yeah, that right there, that is bold. I'm digging it. Corner protection all the way around. This area right here rises above that see-through back. You got that silverish, oh, it's got a little bit of a, I don't know, blue, silver. I don't know. Either way, it looks really good. It really complements the see-through back and the black material there. Again, that frame, the camera area, a lot of depth. Plenty of space to utilize the camera back there, taking pictures, shooting video. Setting down on a flat surface a little bit rough, you're good to go. Anything rougher than that, please use your discretion. At the bottom, we have a flap protecting the USB Type-C charging port. Over to the left of the charging port, I'm going to get a close-up because it's going to be very, very hard to see. I think you can barely see it right there. And what's nice about the flap, it's going to keep dirt, dust, and lint out of there. And you have a speaker grill that's really, really deep, protecting the speaker. For those of you that work in a rugged environment, there's a lot of crap flying around, dirt, dust, and lint. It's going to be very difficult to get into those areas. The top cutout, same thing, very deep in there. Everything is going to work the way it's supposed to. All cutouts will be precise. Lots of corner protection, front, back, lots of depth. Cameras going to do what they need to do, well, what you expect them to do, because there's a lot of protection going on there. You will be able to purchase camera glass lens protector if you want a little extra protection. Plenty to choose from over at Amazon, and there are companies out there with that have a brand name that you can find that product as well, especially for those of you that are really rugged with your smartphone, sitting down on really, really rough surfaces. Same with the front. If you're going to be really rough, either use the built-in screen protector with this case. If you're going for a different case, get a tempered glass screen protector. Yeah, that is really, really a bold looking case. A lot of grip. Look at the grip on the right hand side. That ridge grip action going on there. You got the power button, the volume rocker, and doesn't look like I'm going to have to reset my fingerprint. That's working great. Volume rocker. Did I say walker? Volume rocker. Working great. But how about my face unlock? Bam. That's freaking fast. Really, really fast. All right. Wireless charging. Boom. Magnet for MagSafe. Bam. That's what I'm talking about. How about the magnetic strength? Yeah, huge thumbs up. The Anchor magnetic wireless charging pad that I use on my channel is no longer sold over at Anchor or over at Amazon. I can't find it anywhere. Discontinued. There is a newer generation over at the Anchor website or over at Amazon, so do your homework. But I love this little guy here. I really, really do. So everything working the way it's supposed to. Again, all cutouts precise, lots of grip, lots of protection, dual layer protection. You can go with the built-in screen protector or with the frame. But I would definitely purchase a tempered glass screen protector if you're going to go with the frame out. That's what I meant, frame without. I know some of you don't like cases. You like to go as minimalistic as possible. Well, I got cases for you too. So stay tuned for more case reviews. Poetic, huge shout out to you. Many, many years together. Thank you so much for all you have done for me and the channel here on Team My Project 13. All the information to purchase will be down below in the description area. Is there anything that I missed? I don't think so, but if there is, please share that down below in the comment section. God bless you all. Peace.